Every day, every hour, at least one passenger lose their life in road accident. This is a concern for our society and challenge for us how to resolve it. Guys, my name is Pappu Kumar and our startup name is Frequency Automobile Private Limited. Guys, the cause of road accident, vehicle accident, being a kind of in which maximum cause reason of the vehicle accident collision, when front to front vehicle collision, back to hip collision with the side collision. These are the maximum cause. So guys, now we are claiming that our startup claim that if accident happen like it, front to front, back to it, side collision, on that moment our vehicle will be able to save the passenger life. How? Just at the time of the accident, our vehicle will take the situation of the crash and body of the vehicle will be slide back and just changes will be affected during the accident. Let's see in it. This is the concept and we can apply in any kind of the passenger vehicle, whether heavy passenger vehicle, buses, minibuses, whether in a small passenger vehicle, SUV, whether the car. Let me talk about what is the science behind our technology. Newton change in the momentum. This is the science behind our technology, and guys, everybody familiar with it. A cricketer, a novice cricketer, try to catch the ball by strongly hand, definitely he will get hurt. But if another cricketer try to catch the ball and back the hand, definitely he will not get hurt. So just same thing happen in here. In present, all vehicle act like the novice cricketer, try to catch the grace energy by strongly due to what's happened. But in our case, our vehicle will act like the another cricketer, just will take the grace situation and will be back, due to which grace energy reflect and the passenger will save. Let me describe science of the grace. At the time of the collision, many kind of energy create there, like heavy sound, heat, and also their Newton's third law works. Let's calculate how many kind of the force is applied on the crash. Suppose a vehicle has the 15 momentum, another has 50 momentum. So then 50 other vehicle, 15 first vehicle, and 15 according to the Newton's third law, and 10 in a sound, and a 5 heat, and a 50 wave created by the other's vehicle is equal to 145 Newton force is applied on the there. So this kind of the force applied on the passenger while accident, but in our case, all energy will not applied because of the slide. I will mention here biology effect of the crash. At the time of the accident, passenger body direction in forward direction and they get support by the airbag. But question is here that what about the backseater passenger? What about the buses passenger? Because they have no airbag. So guys, good thing is that at the time of the accident, our vehicle passenger body direction will in backward direction, due to which they will get the support by the back seat. This is the positive things for the passenger. Guys, lots of things for sharing about our project, but everything is secondary matter. Primary matter is our concept. So guys, do consider, and whatever you have the suggestion about technical, whether any kind of, please let us. So guys, thank you and safe drive.